Laure and Carlos, two adventurous souls, approached our firm with a unique vision, a home nestled amidst the rugged beauty of Mineral del Monte, Hidalgo. Their dream was a house that would not only blend seamlessly with the surrounding landscape, but also serve as a gathering place for friends and family. The chosen site, a steep, wooded slope, presented a series of challenges and opportunities. The land was accessible from both its highest and lowest points, while the northern side offered a natural clearing. The constant interplay of rain and sun dictated the need for careful orientation and design. Laure and Carlos envisioned a home that would foster a sense of community. It had to be a place where people could gather, relax, and enjoy the tranquility of the forest. The house would need to be accessible from various points and offer a variety of spaces that could be adapted to different activities. Casa Oruç, named after the couple's beloved dog, embodies this vision. The house is approached via a bridge and tower, leading to a series of interconnected spaces. The materials and design vary throughout, creating a sense of surprise and discovery. As one descends the stairs, the house reveals itself, offering glimpses of the interior and exterior spaces. The living room, dining area, and kitchen are arranged in an open-plan layout, while the bedrooms are located on a cantilevered slab that extends into the forest. Casa Oruç is more than just a home, it is a harmonious coexistence with nature. The house captures rainwater, filters it, and releases it back into the environment. It is a testament to the couple's love for the forest and their desire to create a sustainable and inviting living space.